just got off the bus from Cameron Highlands to Penang, about 4.5 hours. It's very hot here again, but come check out our awesome hotel. So this place is very cool. It's very old. An old tycoon used to live here. Then his son gambled away all of his money, turned his house into an opium den. No good. This time they have a separate shower and a separate toilet, so separate church and state. It's exciting. So this pantry here, they give you free food and drink all day. There's free happy hour, and then 10 p.m. to like 1 a.m. they give you free noodles. So it's just fully stocked. So Pam and I are gonna pig out later, so we're pretty excited. So that is a saltwater lap pool that is better for the environment and it doesn't dry your skin out. One of the big things that Georgetown is known for are all the murals and wire sculptures around. So right now, Pamela and I are going around mural hunting. This building behind me right here is the place where Jimmy Choo, the shoe designer, started his first shoe apprenticeship, and that artwork sculpture is kind of depicting that. To-go drinks are served in bags. I've been trying to get one all over. They keep giving me this American in cups, so I finally got it in a bag, and I'm super excited. Delicious. Penang, back in the day, used to have clan jetties, which basically the clan was your different neighborhood and your people that you rolled with. And the main one being Choo Jetty are the most commercialized, where you can walk around. So right now, we're on shops that are on stilts over water. So today we just got dropped off at Penang's Tropical Spice Garden. It's supposed to be very pretty. Great foliage and spices and ambiance and zen. So it should be a fun little stroll.
This is a baby pineapple.
We're about to eat Penang char kway tao. It's a spicy noodle dish with bean sprouts, prawns, cockles that's cooked in pork fat and lard. And this is where you're supposed to get it in Penang. So I have high hopes for it. Can't wait.
So today we're going to do a cooking class with Chef Samuel, and we're going to learn some authentic Malaysian dishes. I think we're going to do some char kway tao, some kind of dessert. We're going to go to the market with him, so I'm really looking forward to it.
That is a noodle.
Normally this is where Andrew would get me doing the rocky steps, but it's too dang hot and I'd probably die in my skirt. are here at Penang National Park, and depending on how you classify it, it is considered one of the smallest national parks in the world. So we're going to be hiking over to Turtle Beach and then boating over to Monkey Beach and hopefully see some cool stuff along the way.
Alright, so the lake that we just encountered is a Miromictic lake, which means that it's a saltwater and a freshwater lake that don't combine, so the levels are split. There's about 41 of them around the world, so they're pretty rare. This one is currently dry, but then once it has a huge rainstorm, it fills up, and that's when the fresh and saltwater split. Pretty cool. So this is Turtle Beach, where sea turtles come to lay their eggs. There's also a conservatory here, so they help out the little guys get back to the ocean without getting eaten. Alright, so we just took that boat over to Monkey Beach, where it's a little more commercialized. You can see there's some shawarma huts and fish huts behind me. You can swim here, but obviously there are monkeys on this beach, so we're gonna go find them.